Near the mighty Victoria Falls lived a clever vervet monkey named Mosi. The falls were known as the smoke that thunders, but one morning, the thunder was gone. Mosi climbed his favorite tree and looked toward the falls. The mist was there, swirling gently, but the great roar of the water was silent. The drums of the river gods were quiet. Mosi felt the silence was strange and sad. Curious and brave, Mosi decided to find out what had happened. He remembered the ancient stories of magical drums hidden in a cave behind the falls. When Mosi reached the cave, he saw the drums silent and broken. The drum skin had torn and the drumstick was cracked. Mosi knew he had to find 3 special things to fix the drums and bring back the thunder, the smoke that thunders. First, Mosi needed a spider's web as strong as silk for the drum skin. He scampered through the forest until he found a clever spider weaving her web. "Spider," Mosi said, "can you give me your strongest silk to fix the drum skin of the river gods?" The spider plucked a shimmering strand and gave it to Mosi.
"This silk is the strongest I have,"
said the spider.
"Use it well."
Mosi thanked her and carefully took the shimmering silk. Next, Mosi searched for an ironwood tree branch for the drumstick. The ironwood tree was famous for being tough and strong. After a long climb, Mosi found a sturdy branch and gently broke it off, thanking the tree for its gift. Finally, Mosi needed the powerful heartbeat of a lion to restore the rhythm. He tiptoed quietly to the grasslands where a proud lion was resting. "Respectfully, lion, mighty king of the savannah," Mosi said, "may I borrow your powerful heartbeat for the river god's drums?" The lion opened his golden eyes and gave a deep, slow roar, letting Mosi feel the strong, steady beat of his heart. With all 3 gifts, Mosi hurried back to the cave behind the falls. He carefully stretched the spider's silk over the drum skin. Mosi replaced the cracked drumstick with the ironwood branch and gently tapped the drum, calling the lion's heartbeat to life. Suddenly, the drums began to thump deeply and loudly. The sound grew stronger, rushing through the cave. The sound burst out behind the waterfall. The thunderous roar returned. The smoke that doesn't thunder was no more. The mist danced happily in the sunlight, and Mosi smiled, knowing he had saved the magic of Victoria Falls. From that day on, whenever the moon was full, the moonbow shone bright across the spray. The moonbow reminded everyone of Mosi's brave adventure and the wonderful sound of the smoke that thunders. Mosi, the clever vervet monkey, kept playing happily in the mist under the watchful roar of the great waterfall once more. He remembered his friends and family during his adventure and always made sure to look after them and play fairly with them. He also learned that being curious is a great attribute to have because he helped the people and animals in the village with his inquisitive nature. The other monkeys looked up to him as a leader because of his bravery and courage. They are thankful for his determination and his willingness to help. They all lived happily ever after, knowing that Mosi is the best friend and companion they could ask for.